Here you can find the daily bell schedule. This is applicable to both hybrid and remote students. When a student is learning from home, they should be following this schedule all day long. You can also see a shot from Infinite Campus and all the different things that you can view as a parent. If you do need help resetting your username or password, please contact Ms. Spohr at the school and she can help you with that. Attendance is always an important thing that we are emphasizing, especially this year as students are engaged so much at home. Learning at home can be very challenging due to distractions and not having someone watching over you. Students may find it really easy to skip their attendance task or just ignore a Zoom class. Unfortunately, that is equivalent to skipping class when you were in the building. Attendance expectations have not been lowered with at-home learning, and it requires more vigilance and monitoring. I encourage all parents to log into campus through the parent portal because here you can check out your students' daily attendance. And let me tell you, single period absences add up very quickly. We suggest that you establish explicit expectations with your student regarding attendance and emphasize the importance of showing up and on time every day. Timeliness is a life skill that will contribute to success with the future job. It also communicates respect for the time and effort of others. Teachers, counselors, and I are reaching out to families when there is an attendance concern, and we will help in whatever way we can.